Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Summer is barbecue time. It's hot outside and the last thing you want to do is cook inside. Plus, there are so many incredible grilling recipes to choose from. Now, when it comes to kebabs, I've posted a few of them already, like my Turkish ones, Creole shrimp and andouille, beef, and many more, plus this featured recipe. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Greek Ouzo Pork Kebabs. This dish is definitely an OMG. The flavors are spectacular and the marinade with a touch of ouzo wraps everything up so beautifully. I'm sure this will become one of your favorites after making it. So my friends, let's get cooking.
We'll make a marinade by adding olive oil, freshly squeezed lemon juice, followed by honey, some balsamic vinegar, pressed garlic and a lot of it, then fresh oregano, fresh thyme, as well as fresh rosemary, and we'll season with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll give a good whisk and set aside. Next, here's our pork tenderloin, and the first thing we'll do is to remove the silver skin, which is a connective tissue. So we'll simply go under with the tip of a knife and cut it off. Now we'll slice the meat to 1 inch thick as evenly as possible, and then we'll cut them again in half, except for the tails of the tenderloins, which are already smaller. It's important to cut them the same size so they cook evenly. We'll transfer the pieces in a large resealable plastic bag, give another good whisk just in case the ingredients separated, and pour the marinade over the pork, making sure to scrape what's left in the bowl, because this will be our basting sauce later. We'll close the bag and give a nice massage so the meat is well coated. Then we'll place the bag in a pie plate just in case it leaks before transferring to the fridge for 8 hours, flipping the bag occasionally. So, a few hours later, we'll take our marinated pork out of the fridge and transfer the meat to the pie plate. Hey, why not? Now, what's left in the bag we'll pour into a small saucepan and set the heat to medium-low. Meanwhile, we'll make the skewers. I like to start with a pepper, then a piece of meat, followed by a cherry tomato, another piece of meat, an onion slice, meat again, and back with the pepper. It's a delicious and colorful combination. After we're done, there will be some marinade in the pie plate, and we'll simply add it to the saucepan. So while the basting sauce warms up, we'll start the barbecue and move on to the grill with our kebabs. When the temperature reaches between 475 to 525 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll place them on the grill, close the lid, and cook for 12 minutes, rotating a quarter turn every 3 minutes. Now, back to the saucepan. We'll add ouzo liqueur, stir and warm it up for 2 to 3 minutes. So, after 6 minutes and a couple rotations later, we'll start basting the kebabs generously. With the added ouzo, this will give an amazing flavor. We'll repeat the process, which is turning the kebabs a quarter turn and basting generously each time until they're nicely brown and done. We'll carefully remove them from the heat and serve immediately. And my friends, these are our Greek Ouzo Pork Kebabs. This is a tasty grilled pork recipe with a great combination of ingredients and flavors. Tender and colorful, this is a delicious new way to enjoy kebabs. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!